This is Access 2019 Module 9 Part 2. In this segment, we're going to look at creating an append query to add records to an existing table. So let's get into our database. So we're in the Health database, and we're going to go to our Create tab and start another query. We're going to add the table patient. We're going to add the first name, the last name, the parent, the phone, the city, and the email. Next, we're going to put a criteria under city for Marietta. As a side note, I used to live in Marietta. It's actually right outside Georgia. Right outside Atlanta in Georgia. I lived in Marietta and worked in Atlanta for a while. So we're going to put Marietta, M-A-R-I-E-T-T-A, as the city that we are working with. Then we're going to go up to the select this query type. Normally we have been, prior to this, choosing select. We just chose a make table. If you did not do the make table, you are not going to be able to do this because we're adding records to the table we made in the first part to this segment. So you have to have completed the make table. Now we're going to choose append. I'm going to cancel that. They're recommending we run the select first. So we click run and you can see the records that it's going to select. Then we go back to the design view and switch to append. We're going to add it to the table contact patient that we created in part 1. It is in the current database. And we're going to click OK. Now we're going to run. It says you're about to add 5 more records. Say OK. And we're going to save this query. It's going to say QRY contact patient append, and we'll click OK, and we'll close the query. And next we're going to open up the table contact patient, and now you can see we have Stone Mountain from the first part, Marietta from the second part. And in Georgia they don't call it Marietta, they call it Mayretta. And that concludes this segment.